Welcome to Animal House. The animals are in the building. It's a new day. Angela, better known as all I could do is give you me. If you choose to believe, it's on you. I live in peace, I can sleep, but I don't choose. I'm an animal, the promos, the station, the movies, rap Rebecca logo. I rub elbows with people you couldn't get a hello from. With a mask and a gun, you don't gotta ask how come or where I'm at. I work, I wanna make that clear to cats. Nothing's free, and no, you can't run to me. I'm 10 years deep, you too young for me. You can sleep while I drop album number 3. And yeah, you can hate, but somebody loving me. Evidently, #1 at 3 with videos on MTV. You can learn from me, then it's back to the streets. Can't be serious, album still sold. Can't be curious. Animals, that's how it is. That's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep, we are animals. That's how it is, that's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no
you ain't know I'm like the highway patrol. I stay on the road while Joe smooths on your back. I got creative control. I vocal coach, show singers how to flow. Then I engineer, show 'em reverb highs and lows. If the shit ain't clear this year, I hope you chose to retire or expire. Cause what I propose is a resignation. Cause the animals is our key now. And all your dedicated fans is rolling with me now. I got it locked 2 to 5 or 1 to 3 now. You gotta watch. You can rhyme doing them freestyles, I'd rather not. Just do it, I make records and write 16 bars in 500 seconds. It's Sicario, aka Mr. Guantalo. BDS lose track, my spins is a problem. So BMI throw me parties, my publishing is lots of dough. We animals, give me an and Espacio.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep, we are animals. Yeah, that's how it is. That's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep. Look, I'm a professional, I'm not stressing you. I do what's best for me, you do what's best for you. I'm not concerned with the bullshit, never was. I'm where the checks at, respect that, I met cuz Slugs, kings, nietas and Zulus all over this world, I'm old school, do you? I put in work, interviews, shows, promos, rehearsals, reverse moves, shows back to interviews. No time for myself, drive through diner, no time for my health. I wonder how I'm surviving myself. OG, baby, got the title and belt. Queen of hip hop radio, through the many years. Blood, sweat, and tears, happy to be here. On a sequel, and I'm still working. I know you got hate in your blood, it's still hurting, I'm an animal. That's how it is, that's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep, we are animals. That's how it is, that's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep, animals. That's how it is, that's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours a day. Work, no sleep, we are animals. That's how it is, that's what we are. Walk with our heads up high, cause we animals. Straight beasts, 18 hours